Hello everyone, welcome back to another video. In this video I'm going to restart the background plants of this tank. So as we trim our background plants from time to time, they become weak, and when we plant top parts of the trimmings to make it look dense, the bottom leaves of the plant starts to melt due to lack of light, and over time their growth will slow down after every time we trim them. It's not the time to restart the background plants of this tank, but I'm doing this only for the tutorial. You only need to do this if you want to keep your escape for a long time. First, I'm lowering the water level a little bit so that it doesn't splash everywhere while I trim. Then I'm starting to trim with the Monte Carlo first. Then after that, I'm going to trim the mid-ground plants, that is pearlweed and hydrocotyle tripartita here. After that, I'm trimming the top parts of the rotala to replant later. And then I'm pulling the bottom parts of the rotala with roots. Then I'm adding some cups of new soil over the old soil to add some nutrients to the substrate system. The lack of fertilization is one of the reasons for slow growth over time. This can be solved by adding root taps or root sticks inside the substrate every 3 months, but I don't have any root taps with me right now. Another reason is the soil crumbling into dust over time and the lack of oxygen exchange in your substrate system, which is very important for the root. When this happens on your tank, you should siphon the dusty soil out and add some new soil before replanting. I'm adding some Rotala ratondifolia as a new plant in this tank. I have sorted them out like this. I planted them on the left side of the tank heavily. It looks like this from the top. Then I sorted out the top parts of the rotala from the trimming like this. Now I started planting them in the rest of the empty space. It looks like this after planting all of them. I feel the water. It looks a little bit cloudy now, but after some hours it should clear up. So this is what it looks like after 24 hours.